Give thanks to the Almighty for a new day. Yeah, man. As the sun rise, you know. As the sun rise out of the east. Yeah, man. I, man, give thanks to the creator of life, you know. I, man, give thanks to the universe. I, man, give thanks to source for all provision, you know. Yeah, the earth is the fullness. You know, the earth is the Lord, and the fullness thereof, and the world and they that dwell therein, you know. The herbs are healing to the body and the mind. Yeah, you don't have to believe, but I know, you know. So I man say give thanks to the herbs. Blessings and honor, glory and power. Yeah, man, welcome to the Herbalawes channel on YouTube. Yeah, man, give thanks for another day, another video. Yeah, man, another vlog. Yeah. So this morning vlog, or this vlog today, yeah, man, I will show you while I'm replanting. I just get some miniature plant of some herbs. Yeah, man. This one is called celery. Yeah. This one is lemon mint. This is sage. Yeah. This is or Jamaican mint. You know. This one is black mint. Yeah. Here we have parsley. Yeah, man, parsley. Here we have tarragon, oregano. This one, the beautiful marjoram. Yeah, man, so in this video I'll replant these herbs out of these small pots, you know, into this larger pots. Yeah, man. So these are all natural herbs, you know, tea herbs. Yeah, man. Celery is very good, you know, when you spice in your meal. Yeah, man, the celery and the parsley, good for spicing meal, and it also carry a lot of benefits, you know. The sage, yeah, man, is also a powerful herb. Yeah, man. Yeah. The sage carry high vibration, you know. It also carry a powerful current. Yeah, man. So if your current no feel so bossy, yeah, man, the sage plant, good plant. Tarragon is also a plant where you can use in your meal, you know, for spice your meal. Yeah, man, very powerful herb, man. Yeah. And the oregano, powerful herb. Marjoram, powerful herb. Yeah, man, the black mint. Yeah. Give thanks. So Herbalawes family, These are the soils that I'll use to replant my herb plants. You know, garden soil. Yeah, man. This product is packaged, you know, by Nakalva Enterprise Limited. That's Burnham Lodge, St. Catherine. Yeah, man. So you can get these soil at iPro-Ace. Yeah. And this one is a organic potting soil. You know? Yeah. This is the name of the place. So it said it's distributed by Clarence and Dell's Nursery, Portmore, St. Catherine. And this is their telephone number. Yeah? So if you want to use this organic soil, yeah man, you can, you know, call this nursery, Clarence and Dell Nursery. Yeah man, and get their potted soil. Yeah, this is not we're not doing the video together, or this is not a paid promotion. Yeah man, but just sharing, you know, what I use to plant my stuff. Yeah man, give thanks, you know, give thanks to the Almighty. Yeah man, Jah live it forevermore, you know. People always associate, yeah, having a green thumb, yeah, in planting. So they are saying if you have a green thumb, the plants will come beautiful. Yeah, I don't know much about that. You know, I think as long as you have love for plants, like I do, yeah man, and also take care of the plants, you know, because some plants love a lot of sunlight and some plants don't. You know, some plants like a lot of water while some plants do, you know. Like for instance, people always say they can't catch rosemary plant. You know, rosemary plant, you know, love sunlight. You know, it don't love a lot of water. Yeah man, so love for the plant is enough. And when you plant, take care of the plant. You know, take care of the soil. Yeah man, because if you take care of the plant and take care of the soil, the plant will also take care of you. Yeah man, and one of my greatest philosophy is if you connect with the plant will connect with you. If you connect with the earth will connect with you. Yeah man, so take care of the plants.
just tell all the youth them to just, faith, stay strong. He shall receive the blessing.
When me there and on my destiny, Jah, protect me from my enemies. Yeah man, this first one, celery, you know. Yeah man, thanks for watching, you know. Thanks for subscribing. Yeah man, stay tuned for more content like this. And I'll update, you know, the progress of these herb plants. Yeah man. Remember our philosophy. If you take care of the plant will take care of you. If you connect with the plant, the herb plant will connect with you. Yeah man. Love the plant, plant the plant. Yeah. Protect the plant, protect the soil. Herbalawes out.